Hey guys, welcome back to our Canva design series. Today we are going to be designing our hand tags for our bundles. Alright, so first thing that we're going to do in Canva is that we're going to put in our custom dimensions, and the width would be 5 by 1. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do in order to design our bundle wraps is that we are going to change the background color, and then we are going to start adding in our elements. So we're going to go into our upload panel. We're adding in our models. We're going to flip this horizontally, and we're going to position her over there. Then we are going to add our next image. And we're going to position that right behind this here, and we're going to drop the opacity. Position backwards. And then we're going to duplicate that. And then we're going to flip horizontally. And we're going to position backwards. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our logo in the center. And then we're going to add some extra jazz. I'm going to duplicate and add yellow. Alright, so that is design number 1. Now moving on to design number 2, we are going to add a new page. We are going to change our background color to black this time. And then we're going to bring in our background image. And we're going to resize to fit. As big as we want it to be. And then we are going to adjust the opacity as always. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to bring in our glitter effect. We are going to add this on the section over here. Let's adjust that to our liking. You're going to use the rotate icon and rotate until you are happy with the result. After that is done, we are going to go in. Let's just add this at the other section. We're going to duplicate, and we are going to move over to that side. Then we're going to go into our MS file, and we are going to pull out a square. We're going to resize it, and then we are going to shift and rotate to fit. Where we need it to fit. And again, you rotate and adjust accordingly as you feel pleased. Then we're going to change the color of that to pink to match our brand color. And we're going to duplicate and do the same to the other side. And then we're going to add our logo once more in the center. And that is hand tag number 2. And for the third and final hand tag design, we are going to keep the background as black. Then we are going to add this baby right here, this model. We're going to add our logo beside her because she's the boss. And then we're going to bring in our other elements to complete the look. You can play around with ideas, with colors, to do whatever feels comfortable to you and whatever matches your brand. The possibilities are endless. We are going to also add a square. And we're going to position it backwards so that we can see where we are with this. And we're going to adjust it a little bit. There we go. And we're going to change the color to pink to match. And then we're going to duplicate and do that to the other side as we always do. Be sure to double check if everything is lined up properly. We're going to position and move that backwards. And there you have it. 3 hand tag designs. Beautifully done and done by you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will